Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a close look at a device that solves a problem almost everyone runs into when building a clean home theater or a long-distance display setup. The Gadget Digital 4K HDMI Extender Balun, model JTECHEX4K-AEIR. If you've ever tried running a long HDMI cable through walls, across rooms, or between floors, then you already know how messy and unreliable it can get. This extender promises clean 4K video, long-distance transmission, audio extraction, and full IR control, all through one Ethernet cable. Let's see how well it actually delivers. Right out of the box, you get a transmitter and a receiver, both built with a surprisingly solid metal housing. They're compact and sturdy, and all the ports feel precise and tight. Which is important because you don't want loose HDMI connections in an installation that's going behind a wall or ceiling. Setup is simple. HDMI from your source into the transmitter, a single Cat5e or Cat6 cable connecting the transmitter to the receiver, and then HDMI from the receiver to your TV or projector. As soon as everything is connected, the signal comes up without any configuration. It just works. The star feature here is its ability to push a full 4K 60Hz 4:4 signal up to 230 feet over Ethernet. If you drop down to 4K 30 or 1080p, you can go even farther, up to 295 feet. That's impressive for a non-HDBaSET extender at this price range. The picture looks clean, stable, and artifact-free, thanks to its 18 gigabit per second bandwidth and full support for HDR10 and HDCP 2.2. If you're sending high-quality content from a Blu-ray player, a streaming device, or a gaming console, this extender keeps the image crisp and accurate with no visible compression. A feature that really stands out is the loop-out HDMI port on the transmitter. This lets you hook up a local display right next to your source, which is perfect if you want monitoring in one room while sending the main feed to another. The dual POC design means only one side needs power, and the other gets powered through the Ethernet cable. That simplifies installation dramatically because it removes the hassle of finding power outlets behind every TV or display. On the audio side, the receiver gives you both optical SPDIF and 3.5mm analog audio extraction. That means you can connect the incoming audio to a soundbar, an amplifier, or external speakers even if the display itself doesn't support those outputs. And it handles video and audio handshake properly, so you don't get mismatched formats or timing issues. Everything stays synchronized. Another major convenience is the bidirectional IR pass-through. This lets you control your source device from the display location or control the display from the source location. If your source equipment is tucked away in a media cabinet or another room entirely, you can still use your remote normally. That makes the whole setup feel seamless. In real use, the extender maintains a very stable long-distance connection. There's no flickering, no signal drops, and no handshake glitches. The metal casing helps dissipate heat, so it stays cool even during long viewing sessions. It works with a wide range of HDMI devices including gaming consoles, streaming sticks, PCs, Blu-ray players, and AV receivers, which makes it flexible for home theaters, classrooms, conference rooms, or digital signage. So who is this extender for? If you're running HDMI across long distances, hiding cables in walls, or setting up a display far from your source device, this is exactly the kind of hardware you want. It's strong, stable, easy to install, and feature-rich without being overly complicated. With 4K 604, 4:4 support, audio extraction, loop-out, POC, EDID management, and bidirectional IR, it checks every box for a professional quality connection. If you want a reliable long-distance HDMI solution without stepping into expensive HDBaSET systems, the Gadget Digital 4K HDMI Extender Balun is absolutely worth considering. For more deep dives and real-world product breakdowns, make sure you're subscribed to Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.